Hello everyone, welcome to Artful Garden Ideas. Today we talk about how to grow impressive Calathea plants. Calathea plants, which hail from tropically rainforests, are fun indoor plants to care for. These tropical plants don't need direct sunlight, making it easy to help a plant thrive in a low light. Thrive lovely leaves are sure to provide your home with joyful pops of color. If you wonder whether or not to grow Calathea plants, read this piece. We'll cover several of the most popular Calathea varieties and discuss Calathea care. All this will give you the tools you need to have a thriving plants. Let's look at different Calathea plants, identify the botanic name and characteristics of each, and discuss their common names, whether it's pear plants, cathedral plants, or even peacock plants you are interested in. We got you covered. Rattlesnake plants are typically evergreens that can be grown outdoor in part of California, Florida, and Hawaii, but otherwise they are common indoor house plants. They require 60 degrees Fahrenheit or warmer. Their rectangular Calathea plants look very similar to that of a specific type of rattlesnake, hence the name. The upper part of the leaf is nice midrange green with darker edges and oval spots. Underneath is maroon or reddish-purple, while indoor rectangular plants typically grows to a foot and a half. Outdoor plants can grow up to an extra foot. Used to warm timeless and Guatemala Calathea looked as long and petal-shaped leaves. This plant grows much larger than the evergreen Calathea to 6 to 10 feet. Outdoors, indoors, it's smaller, but its leaves are hugged, sometimes reaching a meter in length. A natural waxy substance from on the underside of the leaf to protect them against heat. This makes them perfect to a container plants. The Kieger refers to its flowers, which are waxy reddish brown or brown bracts that look like Kieger. Tiny yellow flowers appear between these brackets. The peacock plant is named so because of a paintbook tail-like patterned leaf. This plant has pink keratin teams atop. Those are a cream-colored leaf with forest green ovals that are like the eyes on a peacock's tail and windows. In a cathedral, underneath the leaves, the pattern is mirrored, except that deep green is replaced with pinkish to purplish tones. This plant is particularly sensitive to humidity levels and prefers to wet climate. It can be grown indoor under the right condition. Calathea maconia has earned the award of garden merit of the Royal Horticultural Society with rounded oval leaves instead of spare shape. Once Calathea orphelea is a strike variety, it has wider stripe than the pinstripe Calathea and diverge from other Calathea in the size. Mature Calathea orphelea plant have leaves between 15 inches and 35 inches wide and grow to several feet. To outdoor indoors Calathea wider leaves than others. A good comparison in terms of leaf width of Calathea ornifera is the host plant pear plant of the Calathea ornate species have lush deep green foliage that forms a base of what looks like feathery stripe or lighter green, white, ivory, or a pink. By the slender stem, it is highly attractive. The underside of the leaves has a distinct purplish hue which is similar to that of a rectangular plant. As the plant gets older, even the pink striped variety fade to a ceramy white striping that's still appealing. That's this attractive plant's marking suggests multiple leaves stacked atop and other. This attractive plant's marking suggests multiple leaves stacked atop on another one. Post particular plants, the leaf is a silvery green edged in a wide band of dark green. Some cultivators have an additional layer of green forming the third leaf shape in their center of the oval pointy leaf. The underside of the leaves mirror this pattern in deep purple and bright pink. There are several cultivars of the rose-painted Calathea, probably due to its interesting pattern. Bands of color radiate from the purple pinkish light stem in varying shades of light or darker green. As the leaves mature, lighter tones or turn white, where the green remains deep and vivid. This Calathea produce small white or purplish flower during the summer. The leaves of this Calathea are purple period of the standard light and dark greenhouse. Burgundy or purple banding is a large part of this difficult to find. Calathea's look and its gorgeous. It is a considered near threatened is in its homeland of Edgar and therefore is hard of to find at the local garden center. If you do, it's worth growing just for the color. Its white flowers are purple flocked and pretty, but they don't last or long. The zebra plant is one of the most popular Calathea plants on the market. It's named for the striping of its leaves. Green patches on a light silver green leaf are both distinctive and beautiful. They shouldn't be confused with other zebra plants. Alphabendra square Calathea zarina does share common name with it, but doesn't have the yellow flowers of the Alphabendra variety. The green leaves of this Calathea plant are elegant with edges. They look crinkled, they understand are soft and fat-like, which is why it's also commonly known as velvet Calathea or Calathea wester. Wester grows up to 3 feet tall and 2 feet wide. If you are looking for a plant that has leaves that resemble with peace lily but doesn't come with all the drama, this furry father's plant is for you. And that's it. That's the video. Thanks for watching this video.